Hi everyone, welcome back to my sewing tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how I cut a simple dress using my ready-made top pattern. For this project, I'm using a duvet fabric, and the good thing is, I don't open it completely. I simply fold it into two so it's easier to handle and cut. Step 1. Spread the fabric. I lay the fabric flat on the floor. I make sure all the edges are smooth and there are no wrinkles. Step 2. Fold the fabric. I fold the fabric into two. This gives me a double layer so I can cut the front and back at the same time. Step 3. Measure the length. I measure the full dress length from the shoulder down to the hem. I use my long ruler to make sure everything is straight and even. Step 4. Place the pattern. Then, I place my top dress pattern on the folded side. I align the neckline and shoulder area neatly on top of the fabric. Then I used chalk to draw, then marked a set of stepwise horizontal lines along the fold to cut out multiple skirt, bodice rectangular panels of different lengths in one go. Then I cut along the outer outline I drew. Then I cut each horizontal band across the fabric to separate them into the rectangular panels. Because the fabric was folded, each piece becomes a front, back or two identical pieces. Why duvet cover is the best to make dress? 1. Large size and shape. Duvet covers come in large rectangular pieces of fabric, which makes it easy to lay out dress patterns without too much cutting or piecing. This is especially useful for dresses that need wide panels or full skirts. 2. Durable and strong fabric. Most duvet covers are made from cotton, cotton blends, or linen, which are durable yet soft. This means the dress will hold its shape well and last longer. 3. Pre-washed and softened. Duvet covers are usually pre-washed and softened, so the fabric feels comfortable on the skin right away, which is perfect for clothing. 4. Variety of prints and designs. You can find duvet covers in a wide variety of prints, colors, and patterns that might be harder to find in standard fabric stores. This gives you unique, ready-made designs for your dress.
In the small room with the fabric laid, scissors in my hand, dreams ready to be made. Patterns on the table, visions in my mind. Every stitch a story, every cut one of a kind. I remember when I started for the ones I love the most. Allaiza&Jamil, you're the heart of every post. Through the noise of the world, through the struggle and the tears, this needle keeps me moving, it's been my hope for years. Thread by thread, I sew my dreams, turning simple cloth into shining scenes. From the heart of an old view, the world will see. Fashion made with love, stitched with memory. Allaiza&Jamil, you're my guiding light. I design my future day and night, dressmaking, dreaming, rising again. This is the story of where I begin. The hum of the machine feels like music in the air, a symphony of courage built from silent prayer. From pillowcase to pattern,